Election Commission declares poll dates for 4 states. Assam will go to poll on March 27, April 1 and April 6. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Hansipi, bringing you the latest news for today. And now the news in detail. In a press conference held on Friday evening, the Election Commission of India had declared the dates for the upcoming assembly elections in 4 states, including Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Assam and West Bengal, and the Union Territory of Puducherry. The elections will commence from March 27. Kerala, Puducherry and Tamil Nadu will go poll on April 6. Elections in West Bengal will be held in 8 phases from March 27 to April 29. Assam, on the other hand, will go on poll in 3 phases, March 27, April 1 and April 6. Counting for all the states will be held on May 2. The first phase will cover 47 seats, 39 in the second, and the third phase will cover the remaining 40 seats. The Diphu, Hauraghat, Bokajan, Baithalangso and Haflong constituencies under Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao will go poll in the second phase, that is April 1. Keeping in view the growing chances for spread of COVID-19, the Election Commission informed that all officials engaged in election works will be vaccinated. The polling stations and other related centers will also have all types of preventive measures. With the BJP aiming to win a full majority in Assam and the Mamata Banerjee-led Trinamool Congress putting in all strength to prevent the BJP's government at Kolkata, the election in Assam and West Bengal will be interesting to watch. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Just a day after Union Home Minister Amit Shah's maiden visit shattered the high hopes and expectations of the people of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao by not uttering a single word on the issue pertaining to the implementation of Article 244A. The KPLT in their press conference defended Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang, against whom the people of the Hill District severely criticized for failing to negotiate with the central and state ministers. The people of Karbi Anglong were very disheartened after the union minister failed to address their long-cherished demand. Local BJP leader and Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang had to face the backlash of his people for his party's fault. However, the KPLT leader stated that the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council chief did his best on his part and it was the central and the state ministers who are responsible for not addressing their demand for creation of an autonomous state. The KPLT leaders pointed out that the CM did speak on the issue in presence of his senior party leaders, stating that Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao can have peace and development only after the implementation of Article 244A. The group leaders also said that the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM submitted a memorandum on the same, even though the union minister did not think it was important to speak on it. The press meet was called at Kolonga KPLT designated camp and was attended by KPLT Vice Chairman Risim Senarpator, Publicity in Charge SR Kronjang and CNC SJ Ejang, among other top leaders and cadres. The ceasefire group leaders had expressed their gratitude to the CM for raising the issue of autonomous state in the presence of the union and state ministers and a massive gathering. Further, leaders of the underground party had urged the people of Karbi Anglong to keep supporting them till the demand for implementation of Article 244A is fulfilled. Vicky Bay report from Rongtroksi for Karbi Anglong Live. As the Assam Legislative Assembly election draws closer, the Assam Pradesh Congress on Thursday launched the Assam Bachao movement in Dima Hasao in a bid to understand the problem being faced by the common people in Assam. Former MP and President of All India Mahila Congress, Susmita Dev, had launched the movement at Haflong Government College in Haflong. Susmita Dev with ex-MLA Ajit Singh came to the district as part of the movement and visited various places and interacted with the local residents. Speaking to reporters here, Dev said that the movement was launched in the state on February 17. Following the announcement, the party leaders have been visiting the entire Barak Valley for 7 days and is now covering hill districts as part of the statewide program. She also stated that after interacting with students, they were shocked to discover that building of the Haflong Government College has not been completed till today, even after 7 years has passed, and that the lack of teachers have also been plaguing the college. In addition to this, they were apprised of the severe lack of job opportunities in the Hills District. Dave also said the Congress is confident of forming the next government and said that their party will try their best to solve the problem, including the rocketing price of fuel if voted to power. She said that Congress has silent voters and the people are waiting to vote out the present government. She stated that her party will win over 100 seats out of 126 seats.
আমরা পুরো আসামে একটা আসাম বাঁচাও যাত্রা করছি, and the idea behind it is not a political rally or a mass rally, but to meet the people of Assam to see what is it they expect from the next government. Whether it is students, whether it is traders, whether it is women, whether it is businessmen. So we started in Barak Valley on 17th. We spent almost 7 days in Barak Valley. Now we are going to cover the hill districts. So we will go all over Haflong, and after that we will go to Karbi Anglong. So we have met students of the government college today. For 7 years their building is not complete, they are saying. They don't have enough teachers. So we are confident our government will come, and even if we can't put their particular issue in the manifesto, we will make sure that our government solves this. Secondly, maximum children and students are saying there are no jobs in Dima Hassan. There are no jobs. They don't know what to do. And one young boy says that tribal families are big families, but BJP government has passed a rule of 2 children. Otherwise you can't get a government job. So they are even opposing that, tribal people. So we will take this to the Assam Pradesh Congress, and when our government is formed, we will come back here to meet them to solve their problem.
The Congress leaders also interacted with students of colleges and schools, taxi drivers, merchants and common people. The leaders were also accompanied by Dima Hasao District Congress Committee President Nirmal Langthasa and other senior leaders. Suraj Burman's report from Haflong for Karbi Anglong Live. Well, those were the top stories for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.